Alright, we in the tow pig. I'm looking for a charger. Bada bing, bada boom. Got it. Need it for a flashlight. I've been really wanting to use this damn flashlight, but every time I go to grab it, it's dead. Because the charger I had to use for the other flashlight that matches it. But just a quick rundown here at the shop today. It's Thursday. Got the tow pig. Show you some employee vehicles, just so you can kind of see what everyone drives here. Joe just got his truck back on the road. He's super excited about that. You got Casey. He got his Silverado, just did a complete lifter job on it. You'll see that on the video before this one here. Needs a little bit of love, but we're gonna make it work. Mr. Nate Hernandez, Lowered Legacy himself. Got the daily. Ooh, look at that. The boy got the drilled and slotted rotors. We got to get this thing on some wheels, make it look good. So, in the background, some more vehicles to work on. And we're going to head on inside and see what we got going on. All right, so some stuff we can't show on film here. We got old Natey Poo outside about to throw...
Dude, it smells horrible, bro. It smells horrible, and it's all over my shirt. It's all over everything, dude. And it's on my other hand too. Look, on my knuckles and everything. It's all gone.
Look at the hair. She gone.
Yeah, dude. Look at that hand, and then compared to that hand, there's like.
Yeah, he had to be here. We can't disclose all those details, but boy, I'll just tell you what. Oh. He giving her the ghost right now. Do we do one of those puke warning things?
Like trigger warning.
Yeah, trigger warning, puke warning, whatever you want to call it.
If you're like me and you can't hear other people throw up, then you may throw up.
Wait a minute, did you hear?
God damn it.
Bro, Casey, give me something. I know you got something. Oh boy! All right, that's enough of that. Oh, that was great. Again, puke warning, trigger warning, whatever we need. Sorry, Nate. Oh boy, he out here giving her the business. All right, well, we'll be back in a little bit.
Toyota Tacoma.
What are we doing?
A lift kit. Somebody spent some money. Control on. That's about it.
What happened, Casey? Did you get something stuck in your finger?
Yeah, and that shit fucking hurts, dude. It's in a tender ass spot.
Just pull, man.
Yeah, just pull, dude.
Just pull, dude.
I just gotta hold it neat. You see the angle, motherfucker? Yeah, that's why I was like, that shit was stuck.
You gotta be a man about it. Just pull it. It's not even that bad.
She leaking.
Damn, my is bleeding. That sucks.
All right, so in a previous video, I talked about doing some late night ordering, and it's here. FDF Race Shop came through, and we got them. So we went ahead and we got some S13 floor plates. Thank you, Casey. I appreciate that. Got some FDF floor plates for the S13. Try and keep it cool, give us some grip. Got us a couple of FDF Race Shop stickers. Got to have those, slap them on stuff. we got the Mega Mantis angle kit on the car now. So I figured, why not run them? Let's go ahead and run these stickers. And then I went ahead and I ordered some spare inner tie rods. Now I am going to be ordering quite a bit of spare parts for the front end of the car, just to have, so if we do end up competing in this car, we can have extra parts if we're on track and, you know, something were to happen. If we're on track, something were to happen, we get a 5 minute, we can swap something out, we want to swap it out. Or if practice or just a fun day, I want to stay on the track, I paid for it, I want to do it. A lot of you folks watching this have seen me at the track with cars that we broke and couldn't get back on track. So this car is going to be different. We're going to make sure we have it all. We're going to make sure everything's good to go. So again, thank you, FDF Race Shop. Appreciate you for taking care of the drift community. Drift HQ, I have to do a shout out to y'all too, because y'all put a lot on that car too. Oh yeah, look at them boxes. Those are new wheels, but we'll get to that. Here's a shop today too, so you can see what's going on. This right here. Can't wait for you guys to see the outcome of that. All right, so as I was saying, this thing right here is gonna be pretty dope. At Casey over here, there's a little bit of it. Casey, what'd you say about this lift kit?
Pretty nice.
They went with the rough Country Vertex kit. It is perfect. This kit for the rear it maintains the stock leaf spring pack, which there's nothing wrong with that. The leaf spring pack in the stock is a fine pack. It works just fine. It's just not pretty like these coilovers. I really wish when we did lift kits like this and stuff like that, it would come with something like that for the leaf pack. I'm sure it's out there. Sure, you buy the updated kit or a bigger kit, it'll happen. Now this kit, very nice kit. Now something Toyota didn't think through though, this upper control arm bolt right here. This thing's a mile long. I should have videoed it when we were taking it out. Actually, I say when Casey was taking it out, because it's literally about 13 inches long and there's no room to just unbolt it and pull it out. So it is what it is. We got it done. Front is back together on this side. That front will be back together here soon. I'm sure we got a wheel and tire package coming soon for that one. Here's a little shot of the stock rear end. Should have got a shot of the stock. Maybe Nate did. I'm sure he did. But again, bit of stock action, but we'll see you here in a minute. We'll show you what this rear looks like once we're done. All right, so where we left off with this one was the front was getting finished up, and customer came by and dropped off some brackets for us to go ahead and set the skid plate where it needs to be done. But look at that. Got the rear all set up on the back here. Casey finishing up the other one right now. Little lift block action to level it up, and then you got your rough Country Vertex kit. Man, this thing it's such a nice quality kit, and everything they send to you makes it easy. It just, man, just does something. The only thing I don't like is the only place to put this band is here, because they have this sticker already on here. That's the only place to put that band, and in order for you to get to the pressure system, you have to be able to have room to get in here. So we have to keep it back so it covers up part of the sticker. That's the only thing I don't like. It's a little peeve of mine, but got that all done. This side looking identical. Got it all done. Let's go back here to Casey. Let's see what he got going on. All right, Casey, explain to the folks what you're doing right now.
Trying to install the cylinder bracket.
So, which they did not make very easy. The cylinder bracket goes on top right there. And as you can see,
this side is through bolted, the other side wasn't.
So this side has a through bolt on it. The other side was bolted directly in, which made it just a little bit easier to get to. So this one's kind of a pain, but we're gonna get there. So, Casey, you got something funny for the people today?
Your face.
Oh, well, that's rude. I mean, it is funny, but I don't know. We'll see how this comes out. But if it looks anything like the other side, we should be doing fairly decent in life here. But again, look at that. Oof. We'll see you soon. All right, so she's done. She's rolling out. We're gonna get a good little walk around video here of it and see what it looks like out here in this, again, beautiful Florida day. It's so nice. It's like 51 degrees and it's not humid at all. It's just great. But I can't wait for y'all to see this. Next comes the wheel and tire package. He's gonna get that in about a week, and we'll get that on video for you too, so you can check that out. But check this thing out. Poof. Look at that. It brought it up so much. It's only a 3-inch lift kit, but it made it so much bigger. I would not have thought that a 3-inch would do that much to it, but once he gets his new wheels and tires and everything on there, this thing is gonna look so good. Rough Country did good with this one. She's going home. Got a pretty packed morning here. Got some pretty cool stuff in the shop. We will be getting to the drift content soon. You know, it is off season, so everyone's working on builds. This weekend we're picking up some really cool stuff. It will be on the channel here soon. There may be some sneak peeks out there, but we're going to try not to put too much out there for people to see, because we kind of want to keep some of this a little bit of a secret. But you'll see it coming soon. But just for you guys to see today, we got, you know, old girl, of course. Got an Impala over there with a misfire. We got to figure out this one right here is getting a lift, and some brand new 35s. Got a clutch going in that Jeep right there. That's almost finished up, and Nate's about to pull in a Volkswagen Rabbit to do some pads, rotors, calipers, just, you know, some daily maintenance stuff. We're gonna get some more build time in on the 240 once I get past my you know, once we get past that, then we'll be doing a little bit better in life. But for now, we're just gonna keep it pushing like normal. Yeah, we'll see y'all soon. Hey, look, there's Joe walking out here. Hey, Joe.
Nope.
Say something to the people. Come on.
Nope.
They want to hear you. What you got?
They don't want to hear me. I sound like a freaking drugged out cat.
Hey, give me something funny.
No.
Come on, man. You're killing me, Joseph. Hey, you guys want to know what he hates? Hey, Joe. Daddy loves you.
Impact. I think the big impact.
I can't move.
I don't even know. Oh, yeah, it's, well, shit, it's next to you.
Woo! Do it again, Nate.
Should have accidentally.
It's stuck on the other side of it.
I know. That's what she said.
So you push, I'll bang.
That's what she said.
That's how kids are made.
I need a pillow.
There's some styrofoam right there Nate can put on your head.
Go! 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 You tell me to go, God.
Fucking hit it with the fucking hammer!
I'm hitting it with the goddamn hammer. It ain't moving. Stop.
Somebody hand me a pry bar.
I called for a cry bar 5 minutes ago.
A cry bar? I heard you crying this whole time.
A cry bar.
Here's a cry bar.
Everything's all funny when the camera's on. Camera